from Wikipedia, the Free Encyclopedia. 10 articles Isabouz 2023 film. For FASTS, the bioinformatics software tool, see list of RNA-seq bioinformatics tools. FastX. Theatrical release poster. Directed by Louis Leterrier. Screenplay by Dan Mazo. Justin Lin. Story by Dan Mazo. Justin Lin. Zach Dean. Based on characters. By Gary Scott Thompson. Produced by Neil H. Moritz. Vin Diesel. Jeff Kirschenbaum. Samantha Vincent. Justin Lin. Starring. Vin Diesel. Michelle Rodriguez. Tyrese Gibson. Chris Ludacris Bridge. John Cena. Nathalie Emmanuel. Jordana Brewster. Sung Kang. Scott Eastwood. Daniela Melchior. Alan Ritchson. Helen Mirren. Brie Larson. Rita Moreno. Jason Statham. Jason Momoa. Charlize Theron. Cinématographie Stephen F. Windon. Edited by Dylan Ray Smith. Kelly Matsumoto. Musique by Brian Tyler. Production. Compagnie. Universal Pictures 1. Original Film 1. One Race Film 1. Roth / Kirschenbaum Film 1. Perfect Storm Entertainment 1. Chena Film Co., Ltd. 1. Distributed by Universal Pictures 1. Release date. Mai 12, 2023, Colosseum. Mai 19, 2023, United States. Running time 141 minutes 2. Country United States. Langage English. Budget $378,8 millions 3. Box Office $715 millions 4,5. FastX, also known as Fast and Furious 10, is a 2023 American action film directed by Louis Leterrier from a screenplay written by Dan Mazo and Justin Lin, both of whom also co-wrote the story with Zach Dean. It is the sequel to F9, 2021, and Fast 5, 2011, the 10th main installment, and the 11th installment overall in the Fast and Furious franchise. It stars Vin Diesel and Dominic Toretto, alongside Michelle Rodriguez, Tyrese Gibson, Chris Ludacris Bridge, John Cena, Nathalie Emmanuel, Jordana Brewster, Sung Kang, Scott Eastwood, Daniela Melchior, Alan Ritchson, Helen Mirren, Brie Larson, Rita Moreno, Jason Statham, Jason Momoa, and Charlize Theron. In the film, Toretto must protect His family from Dante, Momoa, who seeks revenge for His father's death and the loss of His family's fortune. Développement on a 10th main Fast and Furious film began by October 2020, with Lin returning to direct. The film's official title was revealed when principal photography began in April 2022. Lin left a director later that month, citing creative differences, though he retained writing and producing credit. Leterrier was then hired as His replacement a week later and performed several uncredited rewrites to the screenplay. Longtime franchise composer Brian Tyler returned to score the film. With an estimated production budget of $380 millions, FastX is the fourth most expensive film ever made. Filming lasted until that August, taking place in London, Rome, Turin, other Italian cities, Lisbon, and Los Angeles. FastX premiered in Rome on Mai 12, 2023, and was released in the United States on May 19, by Universal Pictures. The film received mixed reviews from critics, with praise for its action sequences and Momoa's performance but criticism towards the writing. It grossed $715 million worldwide, becoming the 50th grossing film of 2023. A sequel, Fast 11 that reportedly serve as a final main installment is in development and is scheduled to be released in 2026. Plo. Dominic Toretto and HIS team are requested by the agency to steal a computer chip during its transit in Rome. Dom and HIS wife Letty Ortiz stay behind with HIS son Brian Little B. Marcos, while the rest of the team, consisting of Roman Pierce, Tej Parker, Anlu, and Ramsey, travels to Rome. A wounded Cypher arrives at Dom's home in the middle of the night and informs Rim and Letty that don't Ray, the son of drug lord Hernan Ray, HIS turned their crew against her and is using them to target Dom a revenge for HIS father's death and the loss of HIS family's fortune 10 years prior. By the next morning, when little nobody informs Dom and Letty that there is no agency mission in Rome, they realize the mission is a setup, and travel to Rome to rescue the team. In Rome, Tej and Ramsey break into a truck which they believe is carrying the computer chip. However, Dante begins remotely controlling the truck, and Tej and Ramsey realize that a DM-79 subnautical neutron mine is in the storage. Dante activates the bomb and releases it into the streets. Dom arrives and pushes it into the Tiber River, minimizing the damage, but Letty is arrested by the police. The agency is de facto leader since Mr. Nobody's disappearance. She believes that Dom and HIS team are responsible for the bombing and begins a manhunt. In Los Angeles, Dom and Mia's brother Jacob rescues Little B and Mia from a squad sent by Dante to kidnap Little B, and with Mia's approval, takes Little B to a secret location in Portugal, where they will await Dom. Mr. Nobody's daughter, Tess, is convinced of the team's innocence and does the goddess aid to find Dom in Naples, informing him that Dante is in Rio de Janeiro. After confronting Dante in Rio, Dom challenges him to a race with Elena Neves' sister Isabel and HIS ally Diogo. However, Dante wins while killing Diogo and injuring Isabel. Tess visits Letty at the Black Seat and covertly wounds her to send her to the prison's treatment center, where Letty meets Cypher. They discover the Black Seat is located in Antarctica and they must work together to escape. In London, Dom's team turns to the car show for help, through the convincing of an after a scuffle between himself and the car. Dom get caught in Rio by but they both get intercepted by Dante on the same bridge where Luke Rabs killed Dante's father. Tess get shot by a sniper and Dante steals the goddess eye from Tess. While Tess is taken to the hospital, Emily with Dom to fight Dante. He locates Little B in Portugal and kidnaps him. Dom is cornered by mercenaries. Jacob sacrifices himself to wipe them all out, allowing Dom to rescue Little B. Dante again corner Dom and Little B and expose them as a double agent working with Dante, at which point he shoot a plan carrying Roman, Tej, and Ramsey. Dom drive off the edge of the dam and Little B are on to avoid another trap, but Dante triggers explosive rigged onto it, intending to kill them. In Antarctica, Giselle Yachar, who was presumed dead, emerges from a submarine to rescue Letty and Cypher. In a mid-credit scene, Rabs infiltrates an abandoned theater with a team of agents where he is contacted by Dante, who tells him that he will be HIS next target for killing HIS father. Rabs replies he is not hard to find. Cast. Main article, List of Fast and Furious cast members and List of Fast and Furious characters. Jason Momoa plays Dante. Vin Diesel à Dominic Toretto. A former criminal and professional street racer who HIS retired and settled down with HIS wife, Letty Ortiz, and HIS son, Brian Marcos. 6. In an interview, Louis Leterrier described Fastix as exploring the fallout of Dome's actions in previous installments, saying Dome has fought so hard to keep faith and protect family but there is a price to pay. His enemies are coming after him. 7. Michelle Rodriguez a Letty Ortiz, Dome's wife and a former criminal and professional street racer. 6. Tyrese Gibson a Roman Pierce, an ex-habitual offender, expert street racer, and a member of Dome's team. 6. Chris Ludacris Bridge a Tej Parker, a tech expert, mechanic, and a member of Dome's team. 6. John Cena a Jacob Toretto, Dom and Mia's brother and a master thief, assassin, and a performance driver who once worked as an agent for Mr. Nobody. Et has since reformed into a kinder person, sharing a loving relationship with his nephew, Little Brian. Nathalie Emmanuel Ramsey, a computer activist and a member of Dome's team. Emmanuel said that the character would see increased involvement in Fastix compared to the previous film. Jordana Brewster a Mia Toretto, Dom and Jacob's sister and a member of Dome's team who has 2 children with her partner, Brian O'Connor. 6. Sung Kang a Lu, an expert drifter and member of Dome's team who previously faked his death during a cover operation for Mr. Nobody. Scott Eastwood a Little Nobody, a government law enforcement agent who worked under Mr. Nobody. 6. Daniela Melchior as Isabel Neves suite a Brazilian street racer and the sister of Dome's former girlfriend and Little B's mother, Elena Neves. 9. Alan Richson as M, the new leader of Mr. Nobody's agency who is covertly working with Dante. 10. In early drafts, M and Dante were brothers, and Richson revealed the film's plot twist was filmed alongside another ending, saying, M wouldn't carry face evil if his made my dream feel like he was a good guy. 11. Helen Mirren a Magdalene Queenie El Manson Show, the leader of a female militia and an ally of Dom, as well as the mother of his former enemies Deckard and Owen. 12. Mirren drew inspiration for the character from her aunt, also nicknamed Queenie, and from her performance as Queen Elizabeth II in The Queen, 2006. 13. Brie Larson a Tess, Mr. Nobody's daughter and agent who ally with Dom and his crew. 14. 15. 16. According to Diesel, Larson drew inspiration from his daughter, Pauline, for the character. 17. Rita Moreno as Abuelita Toretto 18. Dom, Jacob, and Mia's paternal grandmother. 19-20. Jason Statham a Deckard Shaw, a former opponent of Dom and his team, who became an ally and new member after saving his son. Deckard's younger brother, Owen, was hospitalized working for Cypher. 21. Jason Momoa a Dante Ray, de son off-drug lord Hernan Ray, seeking revenge against Dom and his crew for the death of his father and loss of his family et his fortune in Fast 5, 2011. 22-23 Momoa described the character as Dom's foil 24 saying Dante is very sadistic and androgynous and is a bit of a peacock. Is go a lot of issue. Is definitely go some daddy issue. 25 Momoa expressed a desire to play against type when portraying Dante, taking on a less macho character 26 and they performed his own stunts for the film. 27. Charlize Theron as Cypher, a criminal mastermind and cyberterrorist who was previously an enemy of Dom's team. 6-28 Leterrier described Cypher as a devil, and speaking on her dynamic with Dante, Leterrier said, they are bad news, but one is more afraid than the other. One is worse news than the other. 7-29 Gal Gadot and Dwayne Johnson reprised their roles from the franchise and credited as Giselle Yachar and Luke Krabs during the final scene and the mid-credit scene, respectively. 30 31 32 Joachim de Almeida reprise HIS Rôle Zernanrey, à Rousles Druglor and Dantes Fater, From Fast 5, While Leo Ablo Perry Portraits Brian Little B. Marcos, Domesson. 33 Luis da Silva reprise HIS Rôle From Fast 5 à Diogo, à Brazilian Street Racer Wow Ali with Dom and HIS Crew. 34 Making Cameo Appearances are Brazilian Singer Ludmilla Azaras Starter in Rio de Janeiro. 35 Pete Davidson à Bowie, à Friend of Ramsey. 36 Paul Walker as Daughter Meadow as a Flight Attendant Helping Jacob. 37 And Married Couple Debbie Ryan and Josh Dun, credited as themselves, as a couple in an airport. 38 Production Développement Justin Lin, who directed 5 films in the franchise, originally returned as director of Fast X. In November 2014, Universal Pictures chairwoman Donna Langley confirmed that a discussion regarding 3 sequels to Furious 7, 2015, had taken place. 39 Hector Vin Diesel reaffirmed this in September 2015 as a trilogy that could lead to the mainline series conclusion. 40 Universal began developing 2 further sequels to F9, 2021, by October 2020. Justin Lin was to direct both film 41 with the 10th, Fast X 42 being reworked to make its story the first ref while the 11th serving the second. 43 Neil H. Moritz, Diesel, Jeff Kirschenbaum, Samantha Vincent, and Lin served as the film's producers, Chris Morgan, Joseph Monsieur Caracciolo-Gier, David Quinn, Amanda Lewis, and Mark Bombach were executive producers. 44 Filming in Turin required the film Commission Torino Piemonte, local authorities, and city councillors to conduct a 5-month planning schedule from September 2021 to January 2022, collaborating with the Departments of Culture to coordinate the city's major events, roads and transport, public, and security around filming requirements. Such planning included managing the overflight of drones and limitations on circulation made necessary for the management and safety of the set. 45. Writing. By April 2022, a new screenplay draft was written by Lin and Dan Mazo. 46 On June 5, 2022, Tyrese Gibson announced Fast X would see the franchise going back to its roots, with reports indicating this to be a return to street racing elements of previous entries. 47 Also shared details the film would also continue to explore the history of the Toretto family in a similar vein to F9. 48 Le Terrier later revealed the film focuses on increased familial responsibilities, saying, Dom was always a lone wolf. He was living a quarter mile at a time but the stakes are real now. He is responsible for a human being, an innocent life he brought into the world. 29 During an August 2022 interview with Comics Book, Nathalie Emmanuel said the stakes are higher on a more personal level in this film, indicating a more grounded approach compared to previous installments. 49 In developing the character of Dante, Le Terrier revealed they wanted to forge the anti-Dom, saying, Dante is the young of Domitian, the Antichrist of HIS Christ, and wanted to give Dante clear motivation with Dom's role in Dante's origin story, noting, there are strong ties with Dante and Dom and that is what makes an amazing villain because you understand why they became this and their motivation. 29 Le Terrier noted Larson's character as also being influenced by the generational legacy of the characters, saying, everybody in the franchise has a different point of view on Dom and has own influence on their lives. And that is how she fits in. 29. Describing the film's return of Fast 5, 2011, Le Terrier said it was to explore the price of justice, noting, we Rashomon had the 5th film to experience it through the eye of Ray, with Dom and Brian the thieves. We wanted to get the audience to rethink everything they've experienced in the franchise because a good antagonist has their own truth, separate from the protagonists. 29 Le Terrier noted the film touch on each previous installment, saying, the snowball of Dom's action has picked up speed and became an avalanche, and said his favorite film in the franchise is Fast 5. 29 Le Terrier later revealed they performed several uncredited rewrites to the entire screenplay on his initial travel to the set, stating elect sleep for the first 4 days they worked on the film. 50 During the film's early promotional run, Le Terrier said Fast X explore the potential breakup of family, noting people are going to need to take sides and alliance will need to be made compounded by the war brewing between the characters, saying there will be some tremendous casualties. 51 Et later confirmed the film will end on a cliffhanger. 52 And further hinted at character deaths, saying, the beauty of the end of this franchise is understanding these characters will not live forever. Only in Western do cowboy gallop out into the sunset. This is different, the stakes even more than they've been before. 53 This was seemingly confirmed by Michelle Rodriguez, who considered the fan reaction to the ending, saying, you're going to feel so cheated in a way, but then so gratified and excited about what is to come. After 23 years of making film, it is really tough at this stage to shock me, and they go me good. 54 She reiterated this in a promotional interview with Collider for Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves, 2023, saying the ending of Fast X would leave people really surprised and we're going to get open mouths at the end. In the theater, he was like, oh my god. What have we done? 55 As one of his early ideas, Le Terrier considered to have Jacob killed off due to the character's previous villainous role in F9. He felt the stakes of Jacob's death were important to Fast X's overall story, which gave him a sacrifice to save Dom and Little B. 56-57. Casting. Jason Momoa, Daniela Melchior, Brie Larson, Alan Ritchson and Rita Moreno joined the main cast for Fast X. In June 2021, Diesel announced the film would be split in a two-part culmination to the franchise, with principal photography slated to begin in January 2022 and take place back-to-back. 58-59 In December 2021, Dwayne Johnson ruled out returning for Fast X, and labeled an Instagram post by Diesel asking for his return a manipulation. 60 with publication indicating he was referring to a feud with Diesel stemming from Diesel's role as a producer on the FATE of the Furious, 2017. 61-62 et ultimately reprised his role à Luke Rabs in a mid credits and cameo appearance. 31-32-30. In early 2022, Jason Momoa was cast as Dante, the villain 22 while Daniela Melchior, Brie Larson, and Alan Ritchson joined the cast by that April. 9-14 This Keanu Reeves was originally approached to play M, having been previously in talks to join the franchise with the role of the Eteon director in Rabs Show, 2019, but plan shifted and Ritchson was contacted about taking over the role while filming Ordinary Angel, 2024, an offer reconsidered and accepted once production on that film was halted because of the announcement that the biggest blizzard in Winnipeg's history was coming to the set. 63 Larson was initially hesitant to join another franchise after the Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU, saying, he was scared of what would happen to me by joining Fast and Furious. But what he always come back to is, I have to live with myself in a way that nobody else has to. The choices he make, I have to live with, whether he regret them or not. 64 Bus stated Fast and Furious was her dream franchise, saying, I've been begging to be in this for years. Being part of something you've watched your whole life and that you love is an amazing feeling. 65. In a March 2023 interview with Total Film, Larsson revealed she would portray Tess, the daughter of government agent and cover operation team leader Mr. Nobody. She described Tessa a bridge, saying, she doesn't go along with the agency. She believes in the legacy her father set up, standing with Dom and the Toretto family. 66 Describing Momoa as addition, director Louis Leterrier Said Dant is an incredible new character. It is 1,000% Momo 1,67 while Michelle Rodriguez Said Dant is malicious but it can be playful. It is like a fresh energy. There is something charming about him. 68 She later labeled Dant as the best male villain in the franchise's history, describing him a revenge with a smirk. 69 After being cast, Momo was initially apprehensive over filming conditions due to report of conflict on set between Diesel and Lin 70 and Said accepted the role to play against Tip. 71 In May, Rita Moreno was cast as Abuelita, the grandmother of Dom, Jacob, and Mia 19 with Leterrier describing her inclusion as a guiding light that Dom is following, aiding. Abuelita is a she has conscience, she is one of the people that keep him grounded. When your grandmother you haven't seen for years gives you a message that becomes guiding for the second part of your life, you listen. 29 In a February 2023 interview with Collider, Moreno's grandson Said pitched for her inclusion in Fast X after Amy Diesel at the premiere for West Side Story, 2021, which starred Moreno. 72. On December 23, 2022, it was revealed that Gal Gadot, who portrayed Giselle Achard in 3 previous installments, filmed a scene for Fast X. According to social media report, she appeared in one of 2 versions of the film screened 3 days prior, with further details about the nature of her return undisclosed. 73 Gadot's potential return was met with mixed reception by fans and critics. Some criticized the franchise's history of reviving dead characters to capitalize on star power, labeling it ineffective fan service which negatively impacts the previous installments and the story of the franchise. 74, 75, 76 Others were positive about Gadot's potential return, citing her portrayal of one of the franchise's most popular characters. 77 In a February 2023 interview with Comics Book, Sung Kang refused to rule out Gadot's character being resurrected in Fast X. 78 As the final cast rounded out, it sparked debate that it could create a story problem for the film. Writing for Screen Rant, Ryan Northrop said, with such a large cast, it is uncertain whether Fast X will be able to serve every character in a satisfying way. With many new and returning characters, every arc may not be fleshed out, and if new characters aren't given much screen time or development, it will be a disappointment. It may be up to the final to rectify it. 79. A month later, a leaked email from The Hollywood Reporter revealed some crew returned after principal photography had completed to film a button or tag, a mid or post-credit scene, that will feature a guest cameo. 80 Gadot and Johnson ultimately reprised their roles in cameo appearances. 30 Rodriguez and Diesel later said Gadot's return had been planned for previous installments, going afar to film unused cameos, with Diesel reasoning the decision to include Gadot in Fast X was done because it fits the film. He also said, doing tag is tricky because you want great talent but at the same time you have to be very careful to maintain the emotional state of your audience. 81 Several actors who were reported to be reprising their roles from previous films in Fast X did not end up doing so, including Michael Rooker à Buddy 682, Cardi B à Lesa 83, Do Omar à Rico Santos, and Tigo Calderon à Tigo Leo, respectively. 84. Following the release of the film's trailer on February 9, 2023, Le Terrier rented archival footage featuring Paul Walker from previous film may be used in Fast X, saying, "Brian is very much alive in this franchise. This film jumps back and forth between the past and the present. You will see Brian in the past, you won't see Brian in the present. HIS family is part of this franchise. It has to be the right moment, the right tone if Brian has to re-enter the franchise. It must be a perfect as we left." 85 Regarding Walker's inclusion, Rodriguez said, "It is really hard to make the film without a blessing of some sort from HIS family because it is everything. Without that kind of that love from them, we would be lost." She also revealed Furious 7, 2015, is her favorite film in the franchise, citing it as emotional tribute to Walker. 86 Diesel similarly commented on Walker's potential inclusion in the film in a March 2023 interview with Total Film, saying, "Universal made a bold, right choice, and daring decision to keep Brian O'Connor alive. He couldn't imagine this saga ending without truly saying goodbye to Brian." 53. Filming. Principal photography began on April 21, 2022, with the film's title being revealed and Michelle Rodriguez, Tyrese Gibson, Chris Ludacris Bridge, Jordana Brewster, Nathalie Emmanuel, Sung Kang, and Charlize Theron confirmed to reprise their roles. 628 According to Diesel, an earlier draft excluded Brewster's character, which he overturned. Fast X's production budget was initially reported to be $300 million in May 2022, which was revised to $340 million that November. The cast was reportedly paid $100 million for their involvement 87 including $20 million for Diesel. 88 Other costs for the rising budget, which factors in tax incentive offsets, included increases in production costs caused by global inflation and charge for pandemic testing requirements mandated by COVID-19 safety protocols. 89 According to unnamed source reporting to Radar, Diesel reportedly stressed over the increased budget and the creative decisions in Fast X. Source wrote Diesel is considered by Universal as simultaneously the greatest star they've had and their biggest headache and that Diesel doesn't let anybody forget how the Fast and Furious franchise is important to the whole film industry. 90. A week after filming commenced, Lin exited the film as director due to creative differences, leaving primary production stalled. However, Lin remained on board as a producer. 91 Later report alleged that Lin clashed on set with Diesel, who purportedly arrived out of shape, was often late, and did not remember HIS lines. 92 Lin was also upset with rewrites to HIS screenplay, as well as changing filming locations and one of the film's villains having yet to be cast. 87 A disagreement with Diesel reportedly escalated to the point it caused Lin to shout, "This movie is not worth my mental health." 93 Lin reportedly forwent pay in the region of $10-20 million in HIS departure. 94 Second Uni-production remained ongoing in the United Kingdom while the studio sought a replacement director. 95 Universal Pictures reportedly spent $1 million a day to pause production. 96 Former Fast and Furious directors F. Gary Gray and David Leitch, who previously directed the Fast of the Furious and Drab the Show respectively, were considered by the studio to replace Lin, however neither were likely to step in due to their commitments with Lift and The Folgy, both 2024, respectively. 97-98 Furious 7 Director James Wan, who was considered to direct the FATE of the Furious and F9 but declined due to his training experience on Furious 7, was also considered a viable option but was tied with commitments to Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, 2023, the final DC Extended Universe, DCEU, film. 98-99 Variety reported hiring an analyst director was not probable without drastic change to the screenplay and Universal would likely turn to a second uni-director well versed in big budget action film. 98 On mai 2, 2022, Louis Leterrier was announced as replacement sans et was previously shortlisted by Universal to direct the FATE of the Furious. 101 Louis Leterrier replaced l'un a director a week after filming began. Leterrier already had an established relationship with the studio, having previously directed the MCU film The Incredible Hulk, 2008, and he was knowledgeable about the franchise 102 and franchise star Jason Statham went to watch the original film in Paris in 2001 while on a break from filming The Transporté, 2002. 103 Leterrier joined filming in London after scheduling and contractual considerations were confirmed. 104-105 et later revealed they initially rejected the offer to direct the film, labeling it a massive task. 50 Also later used elements of l'un's original contribution, such as the established crew, as well as l'un's shot lists and storyboard, to complete the film. 94 Production in London concluded in mid-August, with scenes filmed at Warner Bros. Studio, Les Avedon. 106 Rodriguez later revealed a fight sequence between her and Theron was shot without a principal director, being done while studio negotiations with Leterrier were ongoing. 54 Richardson initially thought he would lose the role of him upon being informed by producer Jeff Kirschenbaum about the directing change, but was quickly reassured by Kirschenbaum that he was still cast and that he would just not collaborate with Lin. 63 Describing his style for the film, Leterrier said, "I'm more practical than other directors," and he brought the franchise back to earth, revealing he favored more practical stunts, including a return of racing scenes featuring a vertical carte mile race, enhanced with visual effects sunset as opposed to the extensive use of computer-generated imagery, CGI, in the recent installments. 51-29. Filming took place in Genzano di Roma 108 in mid-May. Filming took place in Rome for 2 weeks in mid-May 109 and 1 week in mid-Juillet 110 with scenes being shot at the Via Cristoforo Colombo, Lingotevre, Via dei Fori Imperiali, Pont Umberto I, Pont Vittorio Emanuele II, and the area around the Castel Sant'Angelo and the Spanish Steps. 111 Filming then took place in Turin between May 24 and June 6, with action sequences filmed at the Piazza Crimea and Corso Fiume, Murasi del Po, via Roma, and the Piazza 4 Marzo. 112 Momo began shooting his scenes on May 16. 109 Like previous installments, Diesel supervised writing and design of the film's action sequences, according to an unnamed source to The Hollywood Reporter. Diesel's creative control and frequent last-minute change reflect a process which is like a mosaic that doesn't stop moving, labeling him demanding and a perfectionist. 93 On June 6, it was reported a stuntman was injured in an accident after being hit by part of a car after an explosion. 113 On Juillet 22, in an interview with Deadline Hollywood while at San Diego Comic-Con, Rodriguez announced she had completed filming her scenes and said only 4 or 5 weeks are left in production. 114 Filming in Angelino Heights, the location of the Toretto House, faced protest from some local residents after production gave notice of the filming of a sequence which would involve simulated emergency service activity, aerial photography, wetting down of street and atmospheric smoke. According to those residents, the protest was to raise awareness for road safety education, claiming the franchise caused their neighborhood to become a hotspot for fans to engage in street racing and other dangerous activity. 115 filming managed to occur following the protest on August 26 116 while other portions were filmed in Portugal, such as in Lisbon, Almada, Viseu, and Villarreal. In an interview with Lusa News Agency, Conceição Azevedo, the mayor of Viseu, announced filming would take place on IP5, a highway in the Vosela municipality. 117 Richson finished filming HIS scenes by August 1618 and hinted at flying cars in the film, stating "We're going to take it to the sky." 119. During filming, Sofia Noronha, a producer for Sagesse Production, the company in charge of overseeing production of Fast X in Portugal, said a brutal economic investment will be made in the country by the film. Highlighting the weather, affordability through tax break, and flexibility of the production, Noronha argued investment from film made in the country is almost double that tax incentive. The producing country always benefits. 117 This was echoed during filming in Turin, with it reported the 2-week schedule generated €3.8 million for the local economy, coming mainly from expenses related to location rent, hospitality, technical staff and local workforce employment, security and sanitation, and storage and unloading. It was also reported the film regularly brought troop of close to 400 people, 5 times above average for comparable film, and often collaborated with hundreds of local professionals on the research of locations and finalization of the working filming plan. 112 In a statement, Beatrice Borgia, president of Film Commission Torino Piedmont, said Fast X is a confirmation of the key role Turin and Piedmont has gained in filmmaking. We have proved to have all what is needed to host complex production, skilled professionals, supportive institutions, and amazing location. 112. Vehicles. Fast X is the first film in the series to feature electric car, with leaked set photo featuring the 2024 Dodge Charger Daytona RT Banzai concept and the Gullwing DeLorean Alpha 5. Other vehicles include the 2022 Thor Red Dodge Charger R/T, the 2023 Dodge Charger SRT El Caroday, and the 1970 Charger R/T, the latter a franchise staple. 120 On June 27, 2022, it was reported Fast X would include the fan favorite orange and black veiled Mazda RX-7 FD Fortune, which first featured in the Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift, 2006. 121 The inclusion of the electric Dodge Chargers in the film was confirmed upon release of the first trailer on February 9, 2023, with the grace of Tenda Dodge Charger Daytona RT also appearing in other promotional material. In an interview with Fox News, a Dodge spokesperson said the company has a long-standing marketing partnership with Fast and Furious, which will continue with Fast X. 122 Other vehicles featured in the film include the foreign made Lamborghini Gallardo, Alfa Romeo 159, Nissan Silvia, Porsche 911997 GT3 RS, Pagani Huayra Tricolor, and the Datsun 240Z, as well as the U.S. made Chevrolet Impala and El Camino, Lanco Bearcat Armored Vehicle, and the 1966 Ford Fairlane. 123 In an interview with vehicle coordinator Denny McCarthy, who worked on every Fast and Furious film since Tokyo Drift, 2006, each significant car featured on screen required around 7 duplicates, resulting in an estimated 200 cars built for Fast X to race car standard required for the stunt work. 124 In April 2023, Momo revealed that a personally contacted Joe Kenzapes, the CEO of Harley-Davidson, to secure 6 motorcycles to be used in the film for HIS character. 125 et is seen riding the Harley-Davidson Pan America throughout the film, which was modified with an upgraded exhaust system and extra shielding. 126. Post-production. Dylan Ray Smith and Kelly Matsumoto, both of whom were two of the three co-editors on F9, return as editor. Peter Cheng returns as a visual effects supervisor for the production, after doing so for F9, with Deneg and Industrial Light et Magic as a return in visual effects vendors. In a July 2022 interview with The Hollywood Reporter, Michelle Rodriguez praised the addition of Le Terrier and HIS predominantly French-speaking creative team, labeling it the French takeover, dude. She stated Le Terrier came with all this energy of love from a real fan of the franchise who really wants to take its place that it hasn't taken before. It reminds you how beautiful and magical filmmaking is. 127 Several real shows were filmed with first-person view, FPV, drone with an attached warp cam piloted by Johnny Shaer, similar to the filming technique that were used for the action sequences in Michael Bay's Ambulance, 2022. Shaer previously supervised the drone-led filming in Rawson Marshall Turber's Red Notice, 2021. 128 The filmmaker researched pre-existing and unused footage of Fast Five through Universal's archival department as a film at delis for alternate takes and different angles. Such footage was composite to provide change for Fast X's flashback, integrating the characters into it using motion control photography and CGI. 129 In March 2023, the writing credits were finalized, Mazo and Lin received screenplay credit, and both shared story credit with Zach Dean. 130 In May 2023, despite HIS initial refusal to return to the franchise, it was announced that Dwayne Johnson would appear as Luke Krabs in the film as a mid-credit scene. 32. Musique. Main article, Fastix, soundtrack. The first single for the film's soundtrack, Let's Read, was released on February 10, 2023, performed by YG, Tidal Sign, and Lambeau 4OE. The soundtrack features hip-hop, pop, reggaeton, electronic rock, and rhythmic Latin tracks. The second song from the film, Won't Take Back Down, performed by Young Boy Never Broke Again, Billy Zimmerman, and Dermot Kennedy, was released on May 4. The soundtrack of the film was released on May 19, by Artist Partner Group. 131. In March 2023 during post-production, Brian Tyler was returned to compose the film score after previously scoring some of the film franchise starting with the third installment The Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift, 2006. 132 The official score album was being released on June 2, 2023, by Backlaw Music. 133. Marketing. Part of Fastix previewed at Cinerope in Barcelona in June 2022, including a first look at Jason Momoa and Brie Larson. Speaking of the film, Universal Pictures International President of Distribution, Veronica Van-den-Berg, stated the studio's drive was to continue to cater to the diverse tastes expected from the franchise. 134 At the 2022 Griot Awards, Tyrese Gibson stated he watched the completed film on October 20, 2022, describing it as crazy with just too much magic, and announced an extended version of the film's trailer would first premiere at Super Bowl LVI on February 12, 2023. 135 This was seemingly confirmed in a December 2022 social media post by Vin Diesel, who wrote the trailer was less than 2 months away. 136 and was made it official in January 2023 post. 137 In a January 2023 report by Collider, it was confirmed the first trailer would debut worldwide on February 10, 2023, after being screened at a private fan event a day prior, it was 3 minutes long 138 and was followed with a Super Bowl spot alongside Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves, Cocaine Bear, Scream 6, 65, R, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 and The Flash, All 2023. 139-140 begin in February 1, to promote the release of the trailer, official recut of the trailer of each of the previous 9 films, dubbed Legacy trailer, were released daily in conjunction with IGN. 141 The fan event took place at LA. Live in downtown Los Angeles, being hosted by Maria Menounos and featuring Diesel, Rodriguez, Gibson, Ludacris, and Cody Walker, the brother of the series' longtime initial star Paul Walker. 142 Similar fan events also took place in Mexico, France, and Japan but did not feature the cast. 143 On February 1, the film's teaser poster was released, depicting Diesel alone in the center, bowing his head and clutching a cross between his fists on a dark-to-light backdrop. Writing for Collider, Safeya Kazi Said his positioning depicts an intense prayer with the small amount of light from the cross engulfing his fist acting as a optimism in the dark. She also said that the relative simplicity of the poster compared to the color explosion for F9 could indicate a greater storyline in Fast X. Casey wrote the film as The End of the Road Begins tagline depicted a new level of intensity, and speculated it could refer to the end for some of the franchise's characters. 144 In an analysis by Matt Singer of WBUF, Singer described the poster as somber, noting it a remarkably tense compared to the poster for other entries in the franchise. 145 Stills from the film detailing Momoa, Larson, and Diesel's characters were publicly released on February 9. 146 and was followed by a teaser showcasing the main cast a day later. 147 The official trailer then released soon after. 148 featuring an orchestral flip of Notorious Tug by the Notorious B.G. and Bon Tug en Harmony from the Formes album Life After Death, 1997. 149 The trailer was mostly positively received, writing for GQ, Grant Randner labeled the trailer glorious absurdity, stating it is a glossy and over-the-top a recent features. He commended the return of racing scenes, saying it restores the original feeling of the film, and said the music was an operatic nail-biter. 150 According to data from social media analytics company Relish Mix, the film's Super Bowl trailer, dubbed the Big Game trailer, clocked 94.1 million views across social media in the 24-hour period following the game. It was the third most viewed trailer that aired at the event, behind Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, 134.1 million views, and The Flash, 97.4 millions. 151 It was the highest viewed trailer which did not debut at the event. 151 but its view count was down from the 110.9 million views received by F9's Super Bowl trailer in 2020, prior to that film's eventual delay. According to unnamed source reporting to Variety, the first trailer accumulated an estimated 295 million views globally within the first 72 hours of release. 143 Instagram drove nearly 30% of views, followed by TikTok, 25%, Facebook, 22%, YouTube, 18%, and Twitter, 6%, with a majority of viewership coming in from international territories. Fast X also trended as a top topic on Twitter in the US immediately after the trailer debut. 143 Similar to other Fast and Furious release, Hot Wheels announced a themed basic assortment of cars set to feature in Fast X, which is set to be released with the film. 152 On March 14, 2023, the official theatrical poster was released, writing for Collider, Eden King positively reviewed the poster, saying the vehicles placed around the characters are similar to a high-octane drag race, indicating a return to the franchise's history a car-oriented film. He also noted the characters loom above the drag race scene, referencing the franchise's thematic shift away from car culture. 153 featurettes were released, first on March 31 and then on April 7, 2023, with the main cast giving a behind-the-scenes look, with previously unseen footage, at the production of the film. 154-155 An additional featurette highlighting Diesel and Perrier's characters was released on May 5, with the père and le terrier providing commentary. 156. En April 19, the second full-length trailer and the film's official synopsis was released. It was generally praised by critics for its action and Momoa's presentation. 157 On May 2, a character trailer featuring Diesel and Rodriguez, titled Fast X, Open Road, was released, writing for Bar-Oblique Film. Bill Brie described it as reflective. The trailer featured elements of Max Richter's On the Nature of Delight and Dinah Washington's contribution from This Bitter Earth, which Brie sideline even more gravitas to the dumb Bar-Oblique Lettier highlight reel. He further praised the combination, stating visuals so nakedly frivolous and music so achingly earnest created an exquisite tension. 158 2 days later, the free-to-play 8-bit style game Fast X, Let's Race was launched online. The game features multiple top-down race courses set in the film's location of Los Angeles, Rio de Janeiro, and Rome. 159 Diesel and Rodriguez then appeared in promotional spot at the 2023 Miami Grand Prix. Citation needed while in the United Kingdom, the film partnered with the Capital Radio Network to launch a competition for a listener to win a trip to Rome. 160 The extended 4.5 minute final trailer was released on May 15. 161 On May 16, Philips announced a partnership with Universal Pictures in the Philippines, where one could win tickets alongside purchases of an FNIA gaming monitor. 162 Universal also partnered with Frito-Lay's raffles to create limited edition Fast X potato chips, which come with raffle tickets where fans could win a ticket. A lucky prize included the 2023 Dodge Charger Air Bar-Oblique T. 163. Release. Theatrical. Fast X premiered on Mai 12, 2023, at the Colosseum in Rome. 164 It was initially scheduled for release on April 2, 2021. 165 But was postponed to April 7, 2023, and finally May 19. 166 These shifts were reportedly made in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, which led to F9's eventual postponement to June 2021 that caused Fast X to be indefinitely delayed. 167-168 It was widely released in IMAX and other premium large format including ScreenX. 169-170 The film was cleared for release in China on March 28, 2023, marking one of the first large American films released in the country in 2023. Fast and Furious film have grossed over $1.2 billion in China since the release of Fast and Furious 6, 2013, and was one of the first countries where F9, 2021, was released, being 5 weeks ahead of its domestic release. 171. Home Media. Fast X was released by Universal Pictures Home Entertainment on Premium Video on Demand on June 9, 2023. 172 on 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray, and DVD on August 8. 173 and on Peacock on September 15. 174 Physical copy contain an audio commentary, behind the scenes featurette, a blooper reel, and 2 music video. 173. Reception. Box office. Fastix HAS gross $146.1 million in the United States and Canada, and $568.5 million in other territories, for a worldwide total of $715 millions. 4.5 Prior to its release, the WRAP estimated the film would need to gross $850 million worldwide in order to turn a profit. 175 Variety later reported that the film barely crawled into the black but would post a modest profit for the studio. 176 In the United States and Canada, tickets went on sale at midnight on February 9, 2023, a day prior to the premiere of the trailer. 169 According to a Fandango study, which surveyed over 6,000 ticket buyers between February and March 2023, Fastix was revealed to be the sixth most anticipated film of the summer. 177 In April 2023, box office projection estimated that the film would gross $65-75 millions in its opening weekend. 178 By the week of its release, estimates had been lowered to $60 millions. 179 The film made $28 millions on its first day, including $7.5 millions from Thursday previews. It went on to debut to $67 millions from 4,046 theaters, topping the box office. 180 Writing for the WRAP, Jeremy Fuste predicted that Fastix may be less profitable than some of its predecessors, citing the film's sudden increased overall production budget, at 70% larger than F9, and the expected large marketing budget. 89 In its second weekend, the film made $23 millions, dropping 66%, finishing second behind newcomer The Little Mermaid. 181 In its third weekend, Fastix finished in fourth place and made $9.2 millions for a drop of 61% behind The Little Mermaid, The Boogeyman and Spider-Man, Across the Spider-Verse. 182 In the United Kingdom, tickets went on sale on May 5. 183 The film was projected to gross around $280 millions worldwide in its opening weekend, including about $220 millions from 84 countries. 179 Like its domestic debut, the film ended up slightly outperforming projection, making $252.7 millions internationally and a total of $320 millions worldwide. 184 It was the sixth best opening weekend for a studio film since 2019, and second biggest non-superhero title, behind Avatar, The Way of Water. 185 Its largest market were China, $78 millions, Mexico, $16 millions, France, $9.6 millions, and Brazil, $9.6 millions. 186 The film set record for the highest opening weekend release for a foreign film in Pakistan, with 19.98 crores, $710,052. 187 Critical response. On the review aggregator website Rotten Tomatoes, 56% of 310 critics reviews are positive, with an average rating of 5.7/10. The website's consensus reads, as irredeemably as it is satisfyingly self-aware, Fastix should have the engines of long-time fan while leaving many newcomers in neutral. 1. Metacritic, which gives a weighted average, assigned the film a score of 56 out of 100, based on 59 critics, indicating mixed or average reviews. 188 Audience surveyed by CinemaScore gave the film an average grade of B et on an A+ to F scale, the same as F9 and the first film below other installments. Post-track reported filmgoers gave the film an 82% positive score, with 67% saying they would definitely recommend it. 180 Momoa's performance was widely praised by critics. Eric Eisenberg of Cinema said Momoa plays don't like the Fast and Furious version of the Joker, concluding it was a delightful portrayal of a gleeful psychopath. Liam Crowley of Comce Book seconded this view, calling Momoa hilarious, while screenwriter Joseph Dekelmeyer said Momoa brings magic to a performance which uses charisma. 189 In a mixed review, Brian Truitt of USA Today also praised Momoa's performance but criticized the screenplay, saying, "Laws of physics are pummeled at length and all logic is shot out of a cannon with its bizarre character choices and decisions." 190 The Chicago Sun-Times Richard Roper gave the film 2 out of 4 stars and was more critical of Momoa's performance, writing, "A commerce crass a more of a preening, performance are, sociopathic clown than a truly menacing villain." 191 Clarice Lougray of The Independent said that an arbitrary plot serve a biblically scaled soap opera that rapidly rewrites the laws of gravity and physiology to put a smile on its audience's face, and praised the cast performance, namely Momoa's. 192 In a less positive review, Charles Pulliam Moore of The Verge criticized the return of former characters, saying the film has convoluted twists and turns which contribute to making it feel exciting, but airless. He also wrote the large cast made its characters feel like souped-up cameos meant to remind you of the past rather than figure organically existing in the present, especially when they just pop up out of nowhere, which happens more often than you'd expect. He also criticized the screenplay, saying Dom and Dante's conflict ends up feeling like something that was mapped out on paper, but was not crafted tightly enough for on screen. 193 This was echoed by Den of Geek's Donkey, who lamented the lack of character beats for the supporting cast and the lack of stakes in the plot, although he praised Sena's performance, writing, "He plays to his comedic strengths and beyond his sheer charisma." 194 Johnny Oleksinski of the New York Post gave the film a 1 out of 4 rating, describing it as another moronic fast film that plods along like 99 bottles of beer on the wall and features increasingly fake chases. 195 James Vernier of the Boston Herald gave it a C and wrote, "David takes on the Godfather film with street racer instead of gangster." 196 Alison Willmore of Vulture criticized Leterrier's direction, writing the film plays like it was made by an everst in the existing film but not kept up to spitting out something coherent itself and called its plot deliriously unwieldy. She also criticized its cast as being bloated and its dialogue a feeling engineered to be clipped and used without context for promotional purposes, concluding watching Fast X feels like sustaining a head injury. 197 Writing for Slant, Greg Newsom criticized the acting, performance and cinematography, calling it overly with ultra-saturated image and wrote that the film was closer to fan fiction or self-parody than the real deal. 198 Writing for the Wall Street Journal, Kyle Smith also criticized Leterrier's direction as overzealous, saying, "Leterrier rarely misses an opportunity to shred the storyline to end up with confetti, serving ridiculous action scenes that require much narrative corner cutting." 199 In a scathing review, GameSpot's Phil Owen said the film possesses blurry backgrounds and weird close-up show, negatively comparing it to low-budget film, and called the editing distractingly frenetic. He also said the storyline just rehashed the plot threads and set pieces from past film, criticized the ending, and called Diesel's performance a full-on parody of himself, he plays a bland character. 200 Kevin Mae of the Times called the film a J didn't like a difficult patch-up job, criticizing the cast performance. 201 While Rolling Stone's Chris Voniar said that the cast, besides Momoa, made their performance in and called the film an inspiring, writing. Fast X feels like it was written by a software program. 202 Accolade. Fast X was nominated in 5 categories at the 2023 Golden Trailer Award, Legacy Ride, Transit, for Best Action and Best Music, Last Ride, Ave Squad, for Best Summer 2023 Blockbuster Trailer, Clash, Transit, for Best Sound Editing in a TV Spot, for a Feature Film, and Ensemble Shoot, Ave Squad, for Best Action / Thriller Trailer Beat for a Feature Film. It won Best Action TV Spot, for a Feature Film, for a Red, Ave Squad. 203-204 It became a runner-up for Best Supporting Actor, Momoa, and received a nomination for Best Stunts at the CTH Hollywood Critics Association Mid-Season Film Award. 205 The film garnered nomination for Best Music Supervision Film and Best Soundtrack Album at the 14th Hollywood Music in Media Award. 206 At the 51 Saturn Award, Fast X received nomination for Best Action or Adventure Film and Best Editing. 207-208 It was nominated for Best Stunts at the second Astra Film Creative Art Award. 209-20 Diesel received a Worst Actor nomination at the 44th Golden Raspberry Award. 210-211-212-213 Sequel. Main article, Fast 11. Diesel claimed that Universal approach trim to do 2 sequels to Fast X, depending on its performance. A standalone sequel to Fast X, titled Fast and Furious Presents, Rapture was then announced, with Dwayne Johnson and Jason Momoa set to star. 214-215 Le Terrier considered whether the 11th film would be the franchise's last installment. 216 While Fast X led to the development of an 11th film 217 its budget and modest box office performance meant that the project's continuation would serve as a finale. It was reported that an 11th film could be a throwback to the original film, and consist of a single mission and a different antagonist instead of Dante. 218 In February 2024, Diesel confirmed that the 11th film would be the final installment. 219 In May 2024, Le Terrier announced that the film was delayed from April 4, 2025, to an unspecified date in 2026. 220